Are you eating an apple? You eating an apple, Beckham? Do you love it? Do you love it? Yummy apple. Do you love it? Watch. Oh, if I try to take it away from him. You love it, huh? You're gonna be all sticky afterwards. Hey, Beckham, what do you think about your apple?